Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a Hitachi TV that won't connect to Wi-Fi. So basically I have this article and it has helped me. So here are the 16 steps. So the first one is you have entered a incorrect Wi-Fi password, so make sure that you have used the correct one. And this is how you do that part. Some tips is that you can click on show password, make sure that you know that it's case sensitive and etc. Second is you have a weak Wi-Fi signal to the Hitachi TV. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, the TV can lose its connection to the wireless router. To check the strength, follow these steps on screen as you can see here. So number 3 is connect an Ethernet cable to the router and Hitachi TV, because Ethernet cable is much more stable than the Wi-Fi. This might also help you out. To do that, follow these on-screen instructions. 4 is to use different wireless networks. So if one isn't working, just try to connect to your hotspot or something else and that could work. 5th is to soft reset or reboot the Hitachi TV, and to do that just follow the on-screen instructions. 6th is the soft reset or reboot Wi-Fi router or modem. Same thing, follow the on-screen instructions for it. 7. Disconnect all other devices from your Wi-Fi network. So basically just disconnect them, connect them again, and that should fix your issues. 8 is to reset the Hitachi TV network settings. Follow the on-screen settings. Next one is to manually configure DNS settings, and to do that follow the instructions on here. 10th is to automatically obtain AIP settings on Hitachi TV, and to do that follow the on-screen settings that are shown here. 11th is the MAC addresses has failed, so if that happened to you, then what you want to do is follow these on-screen settings. Second one is to update Hitachi TV firmware, and to update it follow these on-screen settings. Then we have the next one, to factory reset the Hitachi TV, and basically if you want to do that follow these on-screen settings. Next one is to update router or modem firmware. Next one is to upgrade to a new Wi-Fi router. The second one is just to contact your ISP for internet issues, and they might be able to help you with it that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.